We all know that feeling of listening to Hannah Montana directly from our phone speakers every day. But have you ever considered actually buying headphones?
And I think the bigger question is, are these infamous headphones from 2020 still worth buying in 2021?
Remember to like, subscribe, and let's start this video.
So whether you're a music lover, a regular traveler trying to isolate, or an audacious audiophile, you've probably heard about the huge smash Sony made with the introduction of their acronym-rich premium headphones, which came out of nowhere to stand against some of the industry giants like Bose and Sennheiser.
And in 2020, Sony released their 4th generation of tech and feature-rich noise-canceling headphones to market, and it was received by eager ears everywhere, winning several awards and coveted by many as an overall winner at an affordable price.
So with all that taken into consideration, we'd like to see just how well the Sony WH-1000XM4...
Let's just call them the Sony 4 headphones.
Thank you. Okay, so the Sony 4s, how did they hold up after a year of use? And whether it would be worth your hard-earned money over a year after its initial release.
Sorry, what is that?
Over a year after its initial release.
In order for Sony to really make an impact in the high-end noise-canceling world, there were some key features which they needed to improve on from their existing line of mid-level headphones, namely the design, the audio quality, and a few other features. They've changed the design of these headphones slightly to improve the comfort. There's no more clamping on your head on the top. Instead, all the pressure is centered on the cushions around your ears, nice and evenly spread out, so you can wear it for hours without noticing.
If we take a look at the Sony 4s, we can see that the main body is made of a sturdy matte plastic, and the low-profile shape with the padded top bar ensures all pressure is spread evenly onto the cushy pleather ear cups. You won't feel like it's clamping your head or restricting you, even after long hours of use, which is why the battery life is so important. With the provided USB Type-C cable, the Sony 4 reaches a full battery in approximately 3 hours, and if you're in a rush, you can get 5 hours of use out of a 10-minute quick charge.
Once charged, you're ready to go for 30 hours with active noise cancellation, and you can push it to 38 with it turned off. Just taking the headphones off stops the music, and if I don't put them back on for another 15 minutes, they'll turn off completely, saving you battery life.
And the noise cancellation software has been upgraded as well, with more customization, so that the level of sound dampening can be adjusted depending on the environment, either manually through the app, or let smart technology do its thing and automatically detect the ambient sound around you and adjust accordingly.
This means that if you're in a cafe and you're not vibing to the greatest hits of the Jonas Brothers, or just trying to drown out the hum of the subway car on your way to work, the microphones in the headset hear what's around you and cancel the sound before it gets to your ears. And even with the ANC turned off, the tight seal of the ear cups makes for great passive noise cancellation, which means my surroundings are barely audible when I'm bobbing to dispatch.
The touch sensors inside the right headphone allow for full control of your playlist and volume level at a mere flick of the fingers.
Sony's kept all the tap and slide features, so you can tap to play, pause, bring the volume up, turn it down, next track, previous track, and of course, you got Google whatever on this side.
And if someone does have the audacity to try and communicate when I've clearly decided to isolate myself from the rest of the world, by simply covering the headphone, the sound is turned down, and the ambient sound is projected into the earphones.
But nobody wants to stand around with their hand over their ear. It kind of looks a little rude. It sounds like I'm not paying attention to you. So Sony went one step further. Now, If I'm talking, automatically it recognizes that I'm having a conversation, and for 30 seconds it won't play any music.
You can keep those gestures to yourself, and you may never even need to take the headphones off, thanks to the ability to make and receive phone calls. The built-in microphone, which in years past has received some criticism, has been improved and is now seamlessly integrated into the list of features that I found useful on a daily basis. This puts the same noise cancellation at work, so what you're hearing is what the person on the other end is hearing as well.
The headphones connect wirelessly via Bluetooth and can pair to 2 devices simultaneously, and with a quick and easy setup thanks to the free Android and iOS app. Or you could go old school and plug in with the included 3.5mm jack and a convenient 2-pronged airplane adapter.
Yeah, if you're lucky enough to go fly in an airplane nowadays, which I haven't in a very long time. But at the end of the day, these are headphones, so the most important thing has got to be the audio quality. The headphones have a great flat profile which can be tweaked in the app to get the sound the way you want it. And with its DSEE, otherwise known as Digital Sound Enhancement Engine, Sony is using the power of AI to enhance the sound quality of digitally compressed audio files, meaning that the bass is deep yet punchy and the highs are razor blade sharp.
DSEE, man, Sony really loves their acronyms.
Yeah. Like at times, I feel like Sony just shot for the moon and tried to incorporate everything and anything that they could get their hands on, anything they might find relevant to headphones, and some that just weren't. Like for me, connecting to Google Assist or recording my favorite location for specific playback settings.
Ooh, privacy invasion. It's the features which are seamless and passively operating in the background that this old-timer found the most useful, and the rest is just icing on the cake. Like NFC contactless payments, I guess, you know? Yes, I'll have that ice cream, sir. Paid. So with all that said, are these headphones still value for the money? Yes, a firm yes. When you compare the features, design, and audio quality with comparable wireless headphones,
Right, which are going for almost like twice the price of these.
the Sony 4s still hold their own and offer incredible value for money. While the extreme audiophile may benefit from better sound and customization with other brands, for those of you who want a quality experience without breaking the bank, the Sony 4s are still a great buy. Especially since at the time of this recording, you can find these sexy moist bad boys online for as low as $280.
Actually, you know, in fact, I would even recommend the Sony 3s if these are still too much. If you look around, you can find them for about $100 less. While they're not as feature-rich as the Sony 4s, yeah, thanks if you don't mind opening that up, they still deliver the quality sound with noise-canceling tech, touch sensors, and the exact same battery life.
And I'm pretty sure if you're walking down the street, nobody will be able to tell the difference.
Right.
There's that little NFC.
Yeah, so if you have any other tech that you'd like us to take another look at, let us know in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe.
Until next time, we're out.
We're out.